For every Facebook account user, whether you are new to Facebook account or you have been using your Facebook account for a very long time, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to do Facebook account security checker in order to maintain your Facebook account activity and secure your Facebook account. So let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. After you open up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on your profile icon from the corner right here. So click on that. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on setting icon. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on privacy checkup. Then from privacy checkup, go ahead and click on how to keep your account secure. Click on that. Then you are here. So allow it to load up and you'll be taken right here. There are 4 steps you need to take into consideration before you can keep your Facebook account secure. You can see this account here, you completed all recommended action. That is why all these are checked to be green. So these are 4 stages you need to take into consideration before your Facebook account needs to be fully secure. The first one is to review your contact info. Update your Facebook account password. Create passkey for your Facebook account. Lastly, check your login activity as far as your Facebook account is concerned. Finally, make sure you turn on your 2-factor authentication for your Facebook account. It's that simple. By doing all this, your Facebook account is going to be fully secure and protected. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to secure your Facebook account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.